My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. This vehicle has done just over 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access our eco data, ballot mode, navigation, and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking aid. The Evoque also has heated seats on either side, as well as 4 different terrains to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior, as well as a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.